Emmanuel, God is with us. Some people still don't know what it means with Emmanuel. So dear brothers and sisters, before Jesus came into the world, our relationship with God looked like the relationship between earth and sky. We feel that God is so far, untouchable. We feel that we are so small. We are nothing in the eyes of God. Then Jesus, the Son of God, came into the world, became man, one with us as human being, and shared in our ordinary life. He was born of a human flesh. His parents was Joseph and Mary, who looked after him from the infant to the end of his life on the cross. He could feel our happiness and sadness. He could understand our struggling and sickness. Even he had experienced the cross and died unjustly. My brothers and sisters, God has come into the world and lives among us. We don't need to go to the end of the earth to seek God, or to go to the highest sky to find Him. God is already with us. We can see Him. We can touch Him. We can hear His word. Even we can eat Him in the Holy Eucharist. He is so close, so near, that we can feel His presence in us. He always remains in our hearts. He knows when we are happy or sad. He knows our difficulties. He knows everything. And He is ready to help us because He is Emmanuel. God is with us. This story will help us to understand the meaning of Emmanuel, God is with us. One day, a young man was very happy after he met his girlfriend. He was so happy that he didn't see a hole on the side of the road. And when he was passing by on the way back home. So what happened? He fell down into the hole. The hole was so deep that he was not able to climb up. So he cried out for help. Then there was a teacher who was passing that road. He heard the cry of that young man. He looked down and gave some advices to that man to be careful in the future. And he left him alone. Then came a scientist to the same road and heard the cry of that man. He looked down into the hole and saw that young man. The scientist gave some theories how to survive and then left him alone. Finally, Jesus came and saw that poor man was still struggling inside the hole. Jesus jumped into the hole and let the young man climb up to his shoulders and then to the top of the hole. That young man was survived. Jesus saved him his life. Yes, dear brothers and sisters, Jesus is always with us. He's never abandoned us. He wants to help us. Every one of us is meaningful for Him. We are His beloved children. Dear brothers and sisters, do we still believe in the message of the God is with us? It is perhaps not always easy, especially if we are in trouble and God seems far away. Let us not give up our faith. Rather, let us remember that example of Saint Joseph when the angel gave him such a tremendous promise about the child to come. He had practically no evidence to go on. He had never heard Jesus' teachings and miracles. He had never seen the resurrection. or the descent of the Spirit. The only thing he had to go on was a baby who had not even been born and was still in the womb of his mother. And yet, Saint Joseph believed. Dear brothers and sisters, may God give all of us something of that strong and simple faith, because it is only we are people of faith that God can become an Emmanuel to us. He is God who always with us. Amen.